think it's time to go ahead and put the video on time lapse after I show off the sunset because wow, it's spectacular. But anyway, so I've got my good wheelbarrow full of sand from the sand pile for the cob, and I'm stuck using the crappy wheelbarrow that I usually mix the cob in, so getting gravel is going to be a little bit slower, and it's not exciting to watch. So I'm going to show the sunset, and then I'm going to set it on time lapse. Oi! All right. Wow. Check out the sunrise. Absolutely amazing. So gorgeous out here. I just love it. Anytime I have a hard day or a hard time, or I'm questioning why I'm out here, just pausing, taking a deep breath, maybe doing some yoga, which I haven't been doing much of lately, enjoying a cup of coffee or tea, or just having a break. So crazy gorgeous. What a way to end the day. And I usually sit out here with the puppies at the fire pits that I'm working on to end the day. Anyway, again, hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas and have a wonderful New Year to come. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for your support.